Hi all, welcome to Tech with Ashutosh. Today I am going to show you how to install ChatGPT on your iPhone. Yes, you heard it right. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that you can use for various tasks. So let's get started. So first, you need to click on your App Store. After going to App Store, click on the search bar and type ChatGPT here. After clicking on ChatGPT, you will get bunch of options like AI chatbot, by AI chatbot ChatSmith 4 or ChatGPT. You have to make sure you have to click on this icons. Let me turn on the tab as well. So I will click here. After that, it will get start installing the software for you. Now you have to click on open. After clicking on open, you will get three options to sign in. Either you can sign in using your Apple account or your Google account or your email. I will choose for Google email. You can choose your Apple account to sign in. Now my sign in is done and it is checking for the system setting. Now we are getting some disclosures and disclaimers. That is, our chat GPT data can be inaccurate, how they are going to control their our chat history, and how it will be reviewed by the AI trainers. So we will hit continue after that. Now we are getting few options here like get plus. Plus is nothing but a chat GPT 4 version, which is a paid version, and here you will get this extra features and you will be charged 1999 per month. Now with this two icons here, two hamburger icon here, if you click you will find out that it is storing your chat histories here. Here you will get the sign up detail from which you are signed in. Now here we are getting three ways to interact with ChatGPT. One is direct text mode. So let's try hi and we will get a response. Now the second way we can interact with is audio to text. You can speak something and that will be converted into text and ChatGPT will answer based on that. So let's test it out. Hi ChatGPT, how are you? We'll click on tap to stop recording. We will edit it, and as you can see we have got a response. Now the third way in which ChatGPT can respond to you is in the direct conversation mode, and this is the newest feature that ChatGPT team has added, OpenAI team has added to the software, and let's try it out. So as you can see, chat with voice, here you will be directly interacting with the ChatGPT and it will be a direct conversation. Plus you have some bunch of details. You can select between five select set of voices. So let's see.
Hello, I'm really excited about teaming up with you and I'm all set to dive in. So, Hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
So
Hello, I'm really excited about teaming up with you and I'm all set to dive in. So, how can I make your life easier?
So I am choosing Sky as my voice. Let's click on confirm. Now it's started processing. Hi ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you? How can I assist you today?
Can you create a test script for Python for printing hello?
Sure. What kind of test script are you looking to create?
I just want
Interested in unit tests, integration tests, or something else?
I just want to print hello using Python script.
Sure. Here's a simple Python script that prints hello. You can see the code in our conversation history. You can save this code in a file with a .py extension, like hello.py, and run it using a Python interpreter.
So that's crazy, right? It has given us all the conversations. Now here three catches are there. here you can see all the conversation that I have done with the ChatGPT is showing mic over here, and all the conversations which were plain text that is visible over here is directly, and plus all the conversations which were done during our audio conference, that is completely texted. We are also getting the things over text here, so that's how cool it is. So I hope you like this video. Please drop a comment in case you have any queries. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day. Goodbye.